Now we have infrared or radiant heating. In the ordinary resistance furnace, the heat is transferred from heating element to the charge partly by radiation, right, or convection. For lower medium temperature, purely radiant or infrared heating is used. For lower medium temperature, purely radiant or infrared heating is used. In this method of heating, the heating element consists of tungsten filament lamp together with reflector to direct the whole of the heat emitted onto the charge. The lamp operated at 2300 degrees centigrade instead of 3000, giving greater proportion of infrared radiation and a longer life, and the reflector are plated with the rhodium, which being harder has a long life and easier to maintain. The lamps employed are rated between 250 and 1000 watts and operating at 115 volts. The operation at lower voltage result in robust filament. The plant sizes range from single map to chambers containing several hundred kilowatt of flame, and this arrangement result in temperature between 200 degrees centigrade and 300 degrees centigrade. And the following are the advantages of infrared heating: rapid heating, compactness of heating unit, flexibility. This type of heating is used in paint stubbing, drying of radio cabinet and wood furniture, preheating of plastic prior to molding, soft draining of thermoplastic sheet, drying of pottery, paper, textile, where moisture content is not large. The best result by using infrared heating are obtained when the infrared lamp are located at a distance of 25 to 30 cm from the object to be heated. Microwave heating, right, and this is the last topic I think. And microwave heating, in this type of heating, electricity is converted into what is converted into electromagnetic waves. Microwave heating, so it from the name we can estimate electromagnetic heating, which generates energy, and its energy is used to cook the food. And these waves are nothing but high frequency radio waves similar to those used by radio or TV. The wavelength of these waves is very short, of very high frequency, also known as microwaves. You know, these waves are nothing but high frequency radio waves, right? And what is happening is and the wavelength is very short, so of high frequency, also known as microwaves. uh, in the oven, microwave are confined inside the oven cavity and reflected up to its walls, and once the door is open, all the microwaves are automatically switched off. These microwaves vibrate millions of times per second, 2400 to 2500 megahertz. When a microwave energy comes in contact with some substances, it is reflected, transmitted, or absorbed. These waves are reflected by metal, transmitted through paper, glass, plastic, and absorbed by water moisture present in food. When this energy is absorbed, it is produced and cooking takes place. The microwaves are attracted to attracted to water, fat, and sugar molecules. They cause these molecules to water. They cause molecules to vibrate at 2400 megahertz per second, leading to friction within the food, which generates heat. heat which begin the cooking process, and microwave heating is used in the microwave oven for baking purposes, and the frequency used is from 900 megahertz to 2400 megahertz. And the application of microwave heating: baking, manufacture of bread or toast, right? Bread or toast, drying of paper and textile, food processing, kitchen or treatment of diseases like cancer, manufacture of plastic, processing of cement and timber, etc. Advantage of microwave heating over conventional heating: it has neat and clean system, provides uniform heating to the substance. The system has a quick heating. The depth of penetration of heat to the material is much more, and within the material the heat is generated directly, which gives faster temperature rise. And we have microwave oven. This oven converts energy into thermal energy and supplies to the substance which is to be heated. And domestic oven are generally 20 kilowatt heating, whereas industrial oven can be of several capacity, and one basically comprises of two blocks or chambers. Applicator substance to be filled. Thank you.